Hi, the problem number 2. A crate of mass 200 kg is to be supported by a rope and pulley arrangement as shown in the figure. Determine the minimum required magnitude of force F. Also find the direction of the force F. So, we need to determine the F and theta. This is the given force system, it is a cable problem. We need to determine this one by using the equilibrium conditions or Lami's theorem. Then this body is subjected to equilibrium. So, before going to that, here 200 kg mass is given, but we need the weight in terms of Newton or kilonewton. So, let us convert this kg into Newton. We know that weight is given by m into g, where m is the mass, g is the acceleration due to gravity. So, that is equal to mass is 200 into gravitational force is 9.81. You are going to get the value of W as 1962 Newton. So, once you get that one, then the procedure is write the free body diagram, then choose the method, then solve the problem. So, let us write the free body diagram, but where to write? Choose the point in such a way that where more number of lines or forces are acting. At this particular point, this F is acting, this member is acting, and 200 kg load is acting. So, we are going to write the free body diagram at this particular point. How to write the free body diagram? So, I will choose the point, this point, then write the connected lines. This side we have F, just write the lines, one line, then the weight is acting, weight always acts vertically downwards, then another line is acting like this. So, just write a line, point, line, then direction. This force F is acting thisward, weight always acts vertically downwards, then this force will act upward since the member will be subjected to tension. All the cable problems are subjected to tension. Over. Point, line, direction is over. Then magnitude. Here the magnitude is F, and here the mass is 200 kg. If we convert it into weight, it comes around 1962 Newton. Then this side, this member will be subjected to the tension, and this member is connected to this particular member by rope and pulley arrangement. If they said rope and pulley arrangement, this tension will be equal to, this tension in this cable will be equal to tension in this member. So, we need to add, since both the members are connected, here the tension is T, here also the tension is T. So, the total tension is 2 times of tension. When we are going to add? When they said rope and pulley arrangements specified in the problem. So, over. Point, line, direction and magnitude is over. Then we need angle. Draw a plus mark at the point. Then let us look into that. This F is making theta with respect to vertical. This F is making theta with respect to vertical. Then this particular line, this inclined line is making 30 degree with respect to vertical. So, it is making 30 with respect to vertical. So, over. If it is 30, then the remaining is 60. If it is theta, then the remaining is 90 minus theta. Then this will be 90, this is also 90. So, we wrote the free body diagram. Then choose the method. How to choose the method? For that, we need to count the number of forces first. Here 1, 2, 3 number of forces. if only 3 number of forces are acting and there are only 2 unknowns, then we can make use of equilibrium condition, Lami's theorem to solve the problem. So, by Lami's theorem, Lami's theorem is given by P by sin alpha, that is equal to Q by sin beta, that is equal to R by sin gamma. So, where P, Q, R are the 3 forces, alpha, beta, gamma are the opposite angle or angle between the other 2 forces. So, here the 3 forces are F, 2T and 1962. First write down the unknown forces. So, F divided by sin of angle between other 2 forces or opposite angle. The other 2 forces are 2T and 1962. Angle between them is 90 plus 60, that is 150. That is equal to, the next force is 2T divided by sin of angle between other 2 forces. Other 2 forces are F and 1962. Angle between them is 90 plus 90 minus theta, that is 180 minus theta. Then that should be equal to 1962, the force, divided by sin of the angle between other 2 forces. Other 2 forces are 2T and F. Angle between them is 30 plus theta. Angle between them is 30 plus theta. So, we have 3 sets here, 1, 2 and 3, 3 parts. Out of these 3 parts, select any 2 parts, in such a way that there should be only one unknown. So, we are going to select first part as well as the last part. Here, since theta is unknown, so we are going to get 2 unknowns, no need to worry. So, take first part and the last part, you are going to get it as F divided by sin of 150 will be equal to 1962 divided by sin of 30 plus theta. So, if we cross multiply, you are going to get it as F is equal to 1962 multiplied by sin of 150 divided by sin of 30 plus theta. Because F is minimum when sin of 30 plus theta is maximum. Here F is in numerator, sin of 30 plus theta is in denominator. So, they are inversely proportional. If one becomes maximum, another one will become minimum. The F will be minimum when sin of 30 plus theta is maximum. The maximum value of sin of 30 plus theta is sin 90 degree. The maximum value of sin of 30 plus theta, the maximum value is 90 degree, that is sin 90, that will be equal to 1. In trigonometric functions, we know that the maximum value of trigonometric function is 1, minimum value is minus 1. All the values are between minus 1 to 1. So, the maximum value of sin of 30 plus theta is 1. When it becomes 1? When it is sin of 90 degree. So, sin get cancel, we will get 30 plus theta is equal to 90 degree, or theta is equal to 90 minus 30, that is theta is equal to 60 degree. In the problem is said that determine the minimum required magnitude of the force. So, when the force will become minimum? When sin of 30 plus theta is maximum, the F will become minimum. So, sin of 30 plus theta when it will become maximum? When it is 1, when it will be 1? When it is sin 90 degree. So, sin get cancel, we will get 30 plus theta is equal to 90 degree, or theta is equal to 90 minus 30, that is we got theta is equal to 60 degree. So, if we substitute theta is equal to 60 degree here and solve it, you are going to get the F value as 981 Newton. So, we got the value of F as well as theta. That is all for this problem. Thank you.